What's going on, guys? It's Nano back with one more video, back with another video. Thanks for stopping by. Galaxy S10 Plus in the house. I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited as well. Check that bad boy out. Boom. Galaxy S10 Plus in the house. You already know. So this is probably one of the biggest hypes of the year. That's normal when it comes to Samsung. We get excited about their phones. We get excited about their technology. We get excited about everything they bring to the table because we know they're going to tend to push the boundaries. I'm going to keep this unboxing pretty straightforward and pretty sweet. Obviously, show you guys what's inside the box and then kind of give you guys my thought process with this phone as to how good I think it's going to be. I've seen, obviously, some reviews already. So have you. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to review when it comes to this phone. And I'll hopefully be able to do that for you. So without further ado, I've had this phone since launch, but I have yet to actually use it. So check that bad boy out. Look at that, huh? Look at that bad boy. Look how beautiful that is. So I personally wanted the white back. I think that's what everybody was kind of hyping. However, they didn't have it. They didn't have the black. They didn't have the flamingo at Best Buy. So I went ahead and got the that coral blue, and I think that's looking pretty sweet. I mean, it is what it is. One thing I'll tell you right now that I'm really digging so far is this back in terms of how the camera's lined up. I like the Unicy. I like how it looks. I like that it's flowing. It just looks clean. It looks like it's well put together. When, you know, Samsung slapped that fingerprint scanner off to the side once, I didn't like that. Under it, I kind of didn't like that because it was kind of still touching the camera lens. But now there is no more actual fingerprint scanner button-wise. There's an in-screen fingerprint scanner right over here. Now, this phone, I'm not going to turn it on this video, so you guys won't actually see that working. You've seen tons of videos on that. But I just want to show you what's rest inside the box. So we've got the fast charger here. If I can get this out. Pretty standard fast charger. We got the standard adaptive fast charging brick from Samsung. Now this one right here says it goes up to, honestly, I don't know how many watts this one does, but one thing I know for sure is it's not going to charge nowhere as fast as Huawei Mate 20 Pro. You guys already know how fast that is. If you don't know, check out my videos. That's one of my favorite things about that phone. It's just how fast that phone charges. So there's that. Then they're going to give you the little USB to USB-C adapter. So you get that. That's cute from Samsung. You know, do what you want with it. They at least incorporate it. Okay, so we got charging brick. And then we've got AKG tuned. And then we've got, what is this? What is this bad boy? Your charging cable. So, okay, that's cool. And then the AKG. I'm not going to open these guys right now because it's not necessary. But that's what Samsung is bringing to the table. AKG buds. Which is pretty cool that Samsung already does that. Some manufacturers don't even care, or they give you some basic standard ones. Samsung's giving you AKG ones. So for whatever it's worth, they got to be worth something, right? And if you were one of the people that pre-ordered this phone, you were going to be able to get the Galaxy Buds. And if you pre-ordered it and they sold out, then you were going to get a $130 gift card to Samsung, which can still buy you the Galaxy Buds if you want. Now, let's talk about the phone again. A couple things here. One, Samsung actually incorporates a very, very cheap plastic screen protector. It's really hard to tell, but it is there. They do provide one. So there's that. So you don't have to go out and buy a screen protector day one. It comes with one. It's not tempered. Tempered is going to be an issue. It's always been an issue with screens that curve. Samsung's been doing edge screens or curved screens for several years now. So if anybody is new to Samsung, beware with that. If you've dealt with Samsung before, then you know what I'm talking about. So no actual fingerprint scanner per se. There's the in-screen, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that Samsung touts. Of course, if I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, this is the S10 Plus model. 4,100 milliamp hour battery pack. I'm hoping this thing lasts a long time. I hope it charges decently. I don't expect it to charge nowhere as fast as Huawei's. What else do we've got? We've got the dual front-facing camera setup, the triple on the back we already know of. And that's kind of where we're at, man. One thing I'm hoping I dig is the new One UI. I hope Samsung's new TouchWiz revamping. I think they just got rid of TouchWiz altogether and they call it the One UI. I hope that's solid. The icons, from what I can tell and from what I gather, are a little goofy looking, a little cartoonish. So hopefully that's not going to be too much of a distraction. But it is Android, so you can always slap on a different application, a different launcher, if you will, or at least a skin. And there you have it. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, again, if there's anything in particular that you want me to focus on. I'm definitely going to be coming back to you guys with reviews on battery life, things I like, things I dislike, and then a final review. And then ultimately, I'll be doing a comparison side by side between these two phones right here. We're going to have the Samsung and we're going to have the Pixel. And I'll be doing a review on both. And then you guys let me know what you think on that, what I like about this one versus that one, and we'll kind of go from there. I might even do this one versus the Note. But we don't know yet. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. Peace, salutes, adios. And more importantly, guys, I haven't said it in a while, but stay geeky. I'll catch you guys in the next one.